Hi, my name is Chris, and today I will be teaching you how to safely build a fire. So what you need to do is first you need to collect tinder, kindling, and fuel. So that is what I'm about to do. So tinder is kind of like the things that lights easily, so like pine straw, paper, rope, leaves, pine straw. Kindling is like small like sticks like this almost, kinda. Fuel are kind of like logs and more like chunky pieces of wood, not like these, but always make sure everything is dry first. So how you safely do the fire is first you need to make your safety circle, which is with all these leaves. You need to make, if you don't have 15 feet and let's say you're about 5 feet, just do 3 arms length. I'm about 5 feet, but I don't really have enough room, so I'm just gonna push it back as much as I can. Technically it should be 15 feet, but yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. It's good to get a rake to do it. So I'm just gonna like start. I'm back. I just got done with my safety circle. This is kind of what it should look like. Area. Now, let's say you're stranded and you didn't have a fire pit like this. What would you do? Well, you'd find the center of your safety circle, and then you dig a hole about 1 foot deep. So this is about 1 foot. I'm just getting all the leaves out currently. Whoa, lost shrimp. Make sure it's even. So I mostly got all the leaves out of the pit. And now I'm just going to sweep everything, because you see I kind of flew some leaves on the ground. So I'm just gonna do one more rake. Oh, and after you get your safety circles done, make sure that there's no like limbs hanging like above the fire that can catch on fire. Okay, so now I'm going to collect things. So like the tinder, the kindling, and the fuel. If you think you have enough, get 3 times that. Yikes. Okay, I got some tinder, well, a lot of tinder. So now I'm collecting my kindling, which are like small sticks. You can get big sticks, but like break them down. So I'm just gonna start breaking down this stick. Now all these limbs are kindling, but like this part would be declared fuel. In a little, I'm gonna cut down a dead tree and show you how to make some fuel. But a lot of people call it firewood. This is good kindling. I'm also gonna teach you how to make a feather stick. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Perfect. How you make a feather stick? This isn't the best stick to do it with. I have me a knife. I'll talk about knife safety in the next video. You kind of just use your knife just to kind of like carefully scoop up bark. Okay, perfect. See, that would be declared a feather, and you make a ton of it so air can get into your stick and it catches on fire. You have to be so careful not to accidentally push it too hard. I'm back. I just got out of my rugged jugged fort that I made and got some more kindling. And now I'm gonna take a saw and cut this. The saw isn't the best saw, but saw's a saw. Saw's a saw. Just cut down some wood. I think I'm good. Don't use too many leaves. Do not use too many leaves because they create smoke. And once I'm done with the fire, I'll teach you how to extinguish it. There are 3 types of fires. A lean-to fire is where you have like a log, let's say up here, and you have sticks coming off of it to protect it from the wind. A teepee fire is my personal favorite. You make it in like a teepee around your tinder, and then you have your hut fire. One of my favorite methods to make a fire is light it, put the kindling in. If that catches on fire, don't put it in, but let the rest of the kindling dry. I'm about to light that. How you light a fire is you use tools to light it, like a lighter. You guys have seen probably matches. You guys have seen magnifying glasses. I bet that this one you haven't seen. A whistle. Just kidding. This is a flint bar. So when you have your knife, flint, sparks. And you can use the flint to catch your leaves on fire. Time to light it. Let's see, where's a good place I can put you guys? You guys aren't going to be this close to the fire. I'm just going to, you guys are just going to film me light it. Oh, fire. Let me see. Let's put that out. Whoa, ashes. Phew. Gotta be careful for that. I think you guys have a perfect view of this. Why won't my logs catch on fire? They're about to. I can sense it. I can also sense a ton of heat. Oh, snap, you guys are right in the smoke. Sorry about that one. Let's see. Perfect. Sorry for all the movement. I'm just trying to adjust you guys. But now for the final part of the video. I will be teaching you guys how to extinguish a fire. How to extinguish a fire is, remember the shovel we had earlier? If you did dig a hole, you're just gonna fill it in and put it all up. I'm just gonna throw this in the fire. I think you're gonna want to see this. When dirt meets fire, dirt wins. Done. Thanks for watching. Share this with your friends. And next video will be knife safety.